They said that there was only like a 20% chance of rain today, unfortunately.
Can you bring it because it's connected to a hotspot now, buddy?
Yeah, I'll do that. Is the hotspot on? Hold on.
It is.
Okay, good. Just checking. Looking up. The camera connects to the ground. Guys, check out this rain. It's raining. There's like a special weather. Unfortunate, hold on, you can't see my face. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any cloud to ground lightning yet. Just cloud to cloud, boring cloud to cloud lightning. These roads, though, completely covered with water. Phone in the iPad. Can't believe I forgot to bring my Bible along.
I know you said you were going to get it.
I did. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done that yet. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click it.